Hello guys, it's Daniel from Crypto Invest here, and this is your daily crypto news. As always, there are 3 Binance codes hidden in this video, so watch till the end to get your rewards. We may now be witnessing one of the most infuriating situations in the history of Bitcoin. What we see on the chart is a breakout of the uptrend level, and now the Bitcoin price is rapidly getting closer to the lower level of the local uptrend channel that I explained in the previous video. So we are getting closer and closer to a decalping what will largely define the fate of Bitcoin for the coming year. In the next few days, we will find out if the $15,500 mark was the bottom of the current bearish cycle, or if we will see a second bottom. The current state of the Bitcoin chart presents an opportunity that shouldn't be missed, because even if you don't hold Bitcoin, it has a big impact on the rest of the cryptocurrency market and shows where we might end up this year. As always, we can't be 100% sure what is going to happen with Bitcoin price, especially considering the fact that the side factors are in a neutral position. We can see long-short ratio is 57% right now, which can be considered as a neutral position, as well as fear and greed index stays at 56 points, which is almost at the center. So I would like to break down all the possible outcomes of this situation, because it presents tremendous opportunities that should not be missed. First of all, let's look at what these red candles actually mean and what's truly happening. Most of the people are scaring nervous with this current price drop on the uptrend level, but much less people mention that this can be potentially fake breakout, which is actually the most likely event. Experienced traders know very well what a fake breakout is and how often it occurs, especially at important levels like $23,000, which is where we are now. The second important thing is that for some reason nobody pays attention to the fact that the price is still in the rising channel from September 19, 2022, which it entered on January 20th. Of course, most were expecting a sharp price surge, as it was in 2019 after a similar situation. But everyone has forgotten that in 2019 this process stretched for a whole month. By the way, in the same 2019, in a similar situation, we also saw a fake breakthrough of the level, so it is very early to panic. Also, a lot of people are worrying about the current situation at the weekly time frame, with a 50 and 200 moving average. 50-week line is about to cross below 200-week line, which is a strongly bearish move in some case. But if I am not mistaken, this has never happened with Bitcoin before. At least, I could not find a single Bitcoin chart area in the last 10 years where this has happened. So in my opinion, we should not fear this outcome, especially considering the fact that on the daily time frame, the 50 days moving average almost crossed the 200 days line. And this is an incredibly bullish sign, because this has already happened in 2019 in exactly the same situation. But at the same time, we should not ignore bearish signs that we have now and that might happen in the near future. So it's very important to pay close attention to this situation and stay tuned. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. Now we are moving to the bullish indicators, of which there are many times more than bearish ones. First of all, there is a 2019 situation, which I have already mentioned, and which is almost identical to the current situation. We have the same Bitcoin cycles timings, the same 50 and 200 average lines position, even the same candlestick pattern of level breakdown, which used to be a fake one. Also, we are still in an uptrend channel, so this breakthrough is not crucial. The second thing is the fact that we have insanely strong support level at the $20,000 mark, which is supported not only by the psychological barrier and the 2070 all-time high, but also by the current situation with a $50 moving average, which is only $20 below the 200-day moving average at the time this video was recorded. Also, the recent increase of the target interest rate by only 25 basis points by the Federal Reserve Board has influenced the market sentiment in a bullish direction, as the expected 50-point rise, which was supposed to be a bearish sign for the cryptocurrency market, did not come true. Due to this, we are seeing an increased level of attention to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, especially after the Bitcoin's recent pump to the $24,000 mark. So what is the most likely scenario for the Bitcoin price right now? I am extremely bullish, but I can be wrong, because I can't know the future. Anyway, there is only two possible scenarios what we can see. The first one is the long-awaited pump up to $28,000, which all of us really want. It can happen in multiple ways. For example, we can see simple price reverse in the next 24 hours, which I actually don't believe in. Or we can see a little consolidation in this range for 2 or 3 days with a fewer growth up to level of $24,400 and rise up to 28k in a week. The second scenario is obviously a price drop to 20k with a possible short squeeze to 19k, and I am pretty sure we are going to see this because it would be necessary to push people out of the market before we can go higher. This will take us about 2 or even 3 weeks, after which we finally will rapidly go up. I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin right now, because in my opinion we are now seeing a situation that is almost symmetrical to the 2019 situation in all key aspects of tech analysis. This is an incredible opportunity, and what's happening right now really fascinates me, and I am very excited about this situation. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and don't forget to mention if you have found at least one of the 3 codes that I have hidden in this video. I strongly recommend you to watch my previous video where I have told about my Bitcoin price prediction for the next 6 months up to a year. Also, don't forget to leave a like, and I see you in the next video.